On this lecture, we'll be discussing how to convert your hexadecimal back to your decimal numbers. We will try to use the previous example. So we get the 7e4 and the number 2 by converting our given decimal numbers. Okay, let's start with number 1. The easiest process to convert any numbers in the number system would be the use of juxtapositional notation. So you really need to master how to express different numbers systems into juxtapositional notation. This one, 7e4, 7e4, we know that this one has a base 16, and this digit has a power of 0, has a power of 1, and has a power of 2. We could write this juxtapositional position as equals to 7 times the radix, and then the exponent of that digit or the weight of that digit. So that is 2 plus e. Now you will not be able to write e. Instead, you'll be writing the decimal equivalent of e. So what is e? That is 14 times 16. The weight of 16 here is 1. Okay. And then you have last number, you have 4 times 16, and then the exponent of 16 there is 0. So if you could total this one, that is 16 squared times 7 will be 1792. Okay, let's repeat that one. 7 times 16 squared is 1792. Plus, that is 14 times 16 is 224. Plus, that is, this is 1, so plus 4. Okay, you'll be getting, that is 1792 plus 224 plus 4, that is equal to 2020. Okay, so your 7e4, e4 base 16 is equivalent to 2020 in base 10. That is your answer. And now, how about if we have a fraction part? So that is the same in juxtapositional notation, as long as you know the exponent of the radix on that particular place of the fraction. So you have 4b.451 e f. Okay, base 16. We know that the power here is, the power of 16 here is 0, and this is 1. Then you go negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, or negative 5. Okay. So you can rewrite this one as 4 times 16 to the 1 plus b. What is b in decimal? That is 11 by 16 to the 0, and then plus, you can write this one as 4 times 10. 4 times 16 to the negative 1. You could also write this one as 4 divided by 16 to the 1. Then continue, 5 divided by 16 to the negative 2. Okay. Okay, plus 1 divided by 16 to the negative 3 plus, so what is e? E is 14. 14 divided by 16. Oh, sorry, this should not be negative. So that should be steady as, because it is already in fraction. Okay. then 16 to the 4 plus f is 16, right? 16 divided by 16 to the 5. Okay. Oh, what happened there? Okay, 16 to the 5. Okay. Then you add, you'll be getting, so you'll be getting a answer of, you get, so try to compute. You have 4 by 16 added to the 11 by 16 plus a fraction of 4 divided by 16 plus a fraction of 5 and 16 squared, a fraction of 1 divided by 16 cubed, and then a fraction of 14 and 16 raised to the fourth, and then a fraction of 15, I mean 16 divided by 16 raised to 5. Okay, so how much is your answer? So you'll be getting, okay, 70, 75.2700. If you reduce that to 5 decimal places, you'll be getting this one. Or you can rewrite, since it's already 0 there, you can write as 75.27 base 10 of 4b point 451 EF base 16. Okay, that is how you can convert your hexadecimal to decimal. So that's all for this lecture, and see you on the next videos.